Next subtopic from this chapter is venations on the leaf blade. Venations is the arrangement or sequence of veins. What are veins? These are lines that we see on the leaf. This is what venations means, the lines which you can see. These are called venations on the leaf. The leaves of plants and trees show two types of venations. The veins will be present on the leaf. It may be in the two pattern or in two manners. The first type of venation is reticulate venation and the second is parallel venation. Reticulate venation, how does it look like? It will have a single midrib, a central line, and all other veins will arise from this mid vein. And these secondary veins which arise from the mid vein, they are going to form a branch. For example, the leaf of peepal tree. This is called reticulate venation. This is example of a leaf showing reticulate venation. Another type of venation is parallel venation. Here in parallel venation, there is no mid vein. You will not see a line, a vein which is at the center of the leaf, and there are no secondary veins which will arise, which will branch from the mid vein. Yes, but there are veins in the parallel venation, and all the veins will run in one parallel direction. For example, the leaf of banana. This is the venations showing on a leaf which are parallel. All the lines run in one parallel direction. There is no mid vein, there is no secondary vein, no branching. Next topic from lesson number 2, plant structure and function, is flower. We have seen the structure and the details of leaves so far. Now the next subtopic is we are going to study the flower. Flowers are basically produced by flowering plants or trees. The reason behind it, the flowers are the reproductive units. They are responsible for developing into fruit and then flower. The flower will develop into fruit and the fruit will have seeds, and these seeds will be responsible for giving rise to new plants. So flowers are considered as reproductive units. There are some important parts of flowers which we are supposed to consider and study. The first two parts are pedicel and receptor. These are supporting structures. Pedicel is a small stalk which is present at the base of the flower, and the receptor is the part of the stalk which is little in the upward direction, which holds the petals and other structure. So this is a pedicel, a small stem-like structure, stalk at the base. This is called pedicel. It holds the flower and it connects the flower to the branch. Above the pedicel, above the stalk, there is a receptor, a little swollen broad structure. This receptor holds the petals and other parts of the flower. So this is pedicel and receptor. These are supporting structures. Next important parts of a flower are called as the essential whorls. Essential whorls, these are parts which are actually responsible for reproduction. So they are called as essential whorls. They participate in the process of reproduction in trees. So there are 4 essential whorls in any flower, and these 4 essential whorls are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium.